Hey, g'day guys. Today we're going to show you how to secure your plants to a trellis using simple baling twine and some 3D printed clips. Hi there, my name's Paul Grambo and I'm from Bit Greener Farms. And you'll remember in the last video we showed you how to construct a trellis like what you see behind us here. Now in that video we used some 3D printed supports like what you see here. And today we're going to start using some 3D printed clips. Now these simply connect on to the string and secure it around the plant and hold it in place. So to secure our plants to the trellis, we need a little bit of equipment. We mentioned, of course, the baling twine that you need. Pick that up at any big department store. Really cheap. This is like $10 for 500 meters or something, so pretty cheap. You will need some sort of stakes to put in the ground to secure the bottom of the baling twine. We just get these in long lengths and we just cut them down to about 30 centimeters length, a foot in length. So we put this in the ground and we tie the baling twine to that and up to the trellis. So to start with, what you do is grab your bamboo stake and then do your baling twine. Simply tie that around there, whatever knot you're able to do, just so long as it's secure, it doesn't really matter. And then we just get the string that's tied to the bamboo stake and push that into the ground beside our plant. Now if we put it on a bit of an angle when we push it in there, it'll help secure it a little bit better. As I say, on a bit of an angle always helps to secure it in place, and you want to push it through so that the end of your twine is close to the stem of your plant. So once you have your stake in the ground, grab your whole roll of baling twine. So loop the baling twine over the top and then just cut it off at about a 2-foot length. And once you've cut off the twine, loop it over again and back through the hole that you just created. Tighten it up a little bit and then just, I don't know what the knot's called, half a shoelace knot, just so it's easy to pull on this later on once the vines are finished and you can pull off the trellis again. So now we're ready to use our 3D printed clips. So here we are at the bottom. You see these are our 3D clips. The actual string goes in this little section here and it closes up, and obviously the plant goes through the whole section. So this plant's a little bit small, but I'll show you. Here's our string. We put it around the string and around the stem of the plant. What we want to do is just simply clip that in place, and that's what it ends up looking like. Holds it nice and secure, doesn't go up and down on the string because it's clamped around that string. So there you have it guys. You now know how to print a trellis and secure using simple baling twine and some 3D printed or online purchased trellis clips. I hope this has really helped you out today. Please make sure you subscribe and tick that like button and leave some comments below on any new features or feedback that you have for this video. Now get out there, go build something like this and have a great day. See ya.